service of the NTA.
Hello and welcome. This is Work It Out on the network service of the NTA, a program designed to try and make you students out there enjoy solving mathematics questions and bring out the very best in them. Every week we crown a winner on this program, and we are hoping to do the same on today's edition of Work It Out. Stay with me, join me as we do this together. I'm not here alone, I'm here with my quiz master, Buki Egboche. Buki, welcome to the program.
Thank you very much, Efe.
You're looking very, very good.
Thank you.
So,
And you too.
what exactly are we expecting today? Are we going out of the syllabus or within the scope of their work?
We have to be within the scope of the work.
So, are you asking them tough questions or easy questions?
No. Very simple questions.
Okay, simple questions coming through here on this edition of the program. My name is Israel Efe-Robo. You know me. But let's meet our contestants. Contestant A.
My name is Halima Mahmood. I am in JS2.
Welcome, Halima. Contestant B.
My name is Onilegbale Omoumi. I am JS3.
Contestant C.
My name is Ablai Balogu. I am in JS1.
Contestant D.
My name is Adebayo Timothy. I'm in JS2.
They all sound very excited to me. I do hope we will have a great show. Stay with us. This is Work It Out.
Thank you, Efe. You're all welcome once again to this quiz competition. There are 3 stages in the competition. For stage 1, you have 5 seconds to answer the questions. For stage 2, you have 10 seconds. And then the third stage, you have 15 seconds to answer the questions. Now, you can take bonus questions if your fellow contestant is not able to give us the correct answer. If you get that correctly, you have 2 extra points. Okay? And when you are given a question that has a unit, please put the proper unit in your final answer. It goes a long way. All right? Okay. I'm going to start with contestant A, and we're in stage 1. For stage 1, your questions are numbered 1 to 16. So you pick a question number and you answer that question. So over to you now, contestant A.
Number 2.
Question number 2. Which of the following numbers is not a prime number? 2, 3, 5, and 9.
9.
9 is correct. Contestant B.
Number 1.
Number 1. What is the sum of 4 raised to power 2 and 2 raised to power 2?
16 and 4.
The sum.
20.
20 is correct. C.
Number 8.
Number 8. If 3 articles at the same price cost 12 naira 24 kobo, how much did one article cost? 4 is not correct. Your time is up now. Yes, contestant D.
4 naira 8 kobo.
4 naira 8 kobo, that's correct. Thank you. That's a bonus point for contestant D. Your question now.
Number 9.
Number 9. Decrease 120 by 40%.
72.
72 is correct. Back to you, contestant A.
Number 4.
Okay. Simplify 4 over 5 plus 2 over 5 plus 1 over 5. Your time is up. Yes, bonus? Yes, D.
1 over 2 over 5.
That's correct. That's another bonus for contestant D. B, your question.
Number 5.
Number 5. Add the following numbers together. 3.14, 2.24, and 3.2. Add them all together.
5 sevens.
Where is the decimal point?
5.7.
That's all correct. Yes, contestant D.
8.58.
8.58, that's correct. That's another bonus for D. C, your question.
Number 10.
10. Evaluate 3.1 times 3.
9.3.
That's correct. D.
Number 12.
12. Solve for n. If n minus 73 is equal to 100.
173.
That's correct. Back to you, contestant A.
Number
Then speak
6.
out. What is 80 divided by 10 plus 5? Yes, contestant C.
13.
13 is correct. That's a bonus point for contestant C. B, your question.
Number 7.
Multiply 79 by 2.
158.
158 is correct. C,
Number 11.
correct 89.6162 to 3 decimal places. Allow him. Yes, contestant C. Okay, your time is up now. Bonus. Yes, D.
89.616.
That's correct. That's a bonus to contestant D. Your question, D.
Question 13.
What is the probability of getting a 3 when a die is thrown?
1 over 6.
That's correct. 1 over 6. Contestant A.
Number 3.
Number 3. If P is equal to 2, R is equal to 3, and S is equal to 6, find the value of 2P plus R plus S.
Nine.
No, 9 is not correct. Your time is up. Bonus, anyone? Yes, contestant D.
13.
13 is correct. That's a bonus for D. Contestant B. 16. A radio set cost 48 naira. If it was sold for 60 naira, what is the percentage gain? Your time is up now. Bonus?
20%.
Not 20%. D, do you want to try?
12%.
No, it's 25%. See your question.
Number 14.
14. Which of these numbers is the smallest? 4, minus 2, minus 6, 0, and 1.
Minus 2.
Just tell me
0.
the correct answer because I won't give you the option of choosing from the beginning to the end.
0.
0 is not correct and your time is up. Yes, D.
Minus 6.
Minus 6 is correct. Minus 6. That's another bonus for D. And the last question for stage 1 goes to you. That's question 15. Multiply 80 by 3.
240.
That's correct. And that brings us to the end of the first stage of the competition. A round of applause for them, please.
Many thanks for staying tuned. You're watching Work It Out here on the NTA. Just come by there was the stage 1 of our competition, and the result for that stage are in. Let's get right into it. Contestant A scored 5 points, while contestant B scored 10 points. Contestant C scored 7 points, and contestant D scored, wait for it, 32 points. There you have it. One contestant will bow out at this stage of the competition, and the other 3 will move straight into stage 2. So that means contestant A leaves at this stage of the competition, while contestant B, contestant C, and contestant D all move over to stage 2 of Work It Out. After the break, let's find out how they will continue to fare on this edition of the program. Join us again.
You're welcome. This is the second stage of today's competition. You have 10 seconds to answer your questions in this second stage. And your questions are from 1 to 9. I'm going to start again with contestant A.
8.
What is the volume of a box measuring 7 centimeters by 6 centimeters by 9 centimeters?
378 centimeters square.
Volume. Check your unit. That unit is not right.
378 centimeter cube.
That's correct. Okay. Now contestant B.
Number 6.
6. A class is made up of 60 boys and 30 girls. What is the ratio of girls to boys? Your time is up. Bonus. Yes, A.
1 to 2.
1 to 2. Ratio 1 to 2. That's a bonus point for contestant A. Your question, contestant C.
Number 5.
A man bought a book at the price of 2,500 naira. He sold it at the price of 3,500 naira. How much did he gain? 1,000 naira, that's correct. Back to you, contestant A.
Number 4.
A television was sold at 2,000 naira. If the cost price was 2,500 naira, find the loss percentage.
$25%.
No?
20%.
20%, that's correct. Contestant B.
Number 1.
Number 1. A car has a wheel which has a radius of 28 centimeters. Find the circumference of the wheel. Time is up. Bonus, yes, contestant A.
176 centimeters.
That's correct. That's another bonus for contestant A. See your question.
Number 2.
What is 1/6 of 6,000 liters? Yes?
0.06.
You're not sure? Contestant A.
1,000 liters.
That's correct, 1,000 liters. And this is the last round of questions for stage 2. Contestant A, your question.
Question 9.
If 12 boxes of soap weigh 60 kilograms, what will 10 boxes of soap weigh?
50 kilograms.
That's correct. B.
Number 7.
Find the sum of 230, 233, 400, and 110. Find their sum.
Nine hundred and 73.
That's correct. Contestant C. You have only number 3 left. Express DXXVI in the Arabic numerals. Tell me now. Okay. Yes, bonus contestant B.
526.
That's correct, 526. With that answer, we've come to the end of the second stage of our competition. A round of applause for them again, please.
If you just tuned in, you're watching Work It Out here on the NTA. Just gone by there was the second stage of our quiz competition. 4 contestants are on this competition. One of them already lost out. Let's find out at the second stage who will proceed into the final and third round of our competition. The results for this stage are in. Let's find out how the competitors performed. Contestant A scored 53 points. While contestant B came out with 14 points. Contestant C came out with 15 points. Going into the third and final round here on Work It Out, we will be having contestant A and contestant C. So that means contestant B bows out at this stage of the competition. Let's find out in the third round who will walk away with our star prize. This is Work It Out. Stay with us.
If you're just joining us, we're in the third and the final stage of Work It Out. And for this stage, you have 15 seconds to answer your questions. So contestant A, pick your question.
Question 2.
Question 2. Bola sold 100 books at 4 naira each for a publishing company that gives 12% commission. How much would Bola get?
£48.
Contestant B.
Number 7.
7. Express 8% as a simple fraction. No. The time is up. Yes, contestant A.
2/25.
That's correct. That's a bonus for contestant A.
Question 3.
3. The scale of a map is 1 centimeters to 12 kilometers. What is the distance on land if the length from town P to another town Q on the map is 15 centimeters?
$180 kilometers.
That's correct. Contestant B.
Or 4.
If Q varies directly as P, what is the equation connecting Q and P?
Q is equals to KP.
Q, speak out, please.
Q is equals to KP.
That's correct. Q is equal to KP. Contestant A.
Question 1.
Question 1. What is the value of y if y squared is equal to 3,600?
Y equals to 60.
That's correct. Contestant B. And this is the last question for this stage. Okay, that's question 8. Expand, open bracket, P minus 2. Close the bracket, open another bracket, P plus 3. Close the bracket. Expand that expression. Yes.
P square plus P minus 6.
Say it again.
P square plus P minus 6.
That's correct. We've come to the end of the third and the final stage of our competition. A round of applause for the contestants.
Well, thank you so much for staying tuned. We have gone through 3 rounds here on Walk It Out. It is time for us to announce the result for our third and final round of our quiz competition. Contestant A scored, wait for it, 72 points. Yes, indeed. While contestant B scored 25 points. And by a really wild margin, the winner is known. After the break, we return with our prize presentation right here. Stay with us. Thank you so much for staying with us. This is Work It Out, and you're just in time for our prize presentation. 4 of them came here. They all will get their prizes, but only one will walk away with our star prize. In 4th place, please welcome Halima Mahmood.
Congratulations.
And in 3rd place, please welcome Abdullahi Balogun.
Congratulations.
In 2nd place, please welcome Onilegbale Omawumi. Congratulations.
Congratulations.
And for our champion on today's edition of Work It Out, please welcome, in 1st place, Timothy Adebayor. Congratulations, Timothy.
Congratulations. Well done.
Well, Timothy smiles and walks away with our star prize of today's edition of your program, Work It Out. He actually gathered altogether 72 points. I think it missed just one question.
Yeah.
All through the competition. And that's exactly what we love to see here on the program. It's been fun, it's been exciting, and we believe that you have enjoyed yourself watching as well from the comfort of your home. Remember, you can be a part of this program. My quiz master, Buki Egbocha, has done a good job, Buki.
Thank you, Ife.
Thank you
and Timothy actually shows mastery of that subject.
Indeed,
So,
you can
he's done
also
so
show
well.
mastery of the subject as well. Remember as well that all our past editions of this program, you can get them on our YouTube channel at NTAE TV. That's right. We're done on today's edition of the program. My name is Israel Efe-Robo. Remember, a wise word once said that the whole world opened up to me when I learned to read. Let's keep on reading. Until next week. Bye-bye.